Welcome to Bion Medical Academy. In this video, we are going to show you how to use the non-contact temple thermometer. Firstly, take the thermometer out of the box. And you will see one battery, one thermometer, and one thermometer case. How to assemble the thermometer. On the thermometer, you will see a monitor, a on-off button and a battery compartment. Open the battery compartment. You will see a temple icon and a temperature icon, followed by a battery slot below. Grab the lithium cell 3V. And insert it into the battery slot. Make sure your thermometer is in the right mode of measure. To on the thermometer, press the on-off button until you hear 2 beep. Place the thermometer close to your temple, press the blue button and wait for the result. To measure, press the blue button and wait for the result. To off the thermometer, hold the on-off button until the screen goes off. You have reached the end of the guide. Thank you for watching the video.